Yeah, family, so bring our Jamaican brother in Westlands, a place called Surrey Center. I look around and check out the place, you know what I mean? So, yeah.
The place today.
Yeah. So we have a mall inside, we're going to check it out.
Let's go see.
And see what's going on. Inner Surrey Center with Jam Tours Africa. It's like 11, it's like 10, 11. So where David said I come, right?
David said you must sleep. Like you just wake up.
So we'll go to the restaurant.
Start them. He said I come 11:30.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we start the place 11 o'clock. So he come.
Yeah.
I'm my chef, you understand?
Are you my cook today?
Yeah.
Ah.
You want the next, the second, the assistant chef.
Okay, okay. Alright, family, so we're there at Surrey Center. And you know what I mean? Our Jamaican brother look around. First time in Kenya with Jam Tours.
Yeah, place Thursday. In Nairobi Street Market, Thursday.
Yeah.
Here.
Jam Tours! Yeah man, all of them things you'll find them at the Mosai Market. So slogan say one at the Mosai Market. Yeah, we'll take it. So tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. Then change it around now when that Friday. It's on a weekend. Yeah. Oh yeah, we find out when it a keep. So we have the golf store if you can play golf. Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is our Surrey Center. Eh? The food court upstairs, you know. Check out we can check the elevator. Let's take it so we can see the place and see. There's a food court upstairs. There's a big food court upstairs. You can see what I go on and see. Yeah, see. Yeah. Let's walk that side of the slogan. Up straight. Yeah. Come on, up. Let me get the gold, let them with the brands. That's how I buy the mattress. Yeah, so. Silent now, or straight up.
We're not at the elevator.
Yeah, we're not at the elevator. Yeah, family, so. They are at Surrey Center. M-Pesa, yeah, you can get the M-Pesa things. SIM card there, so. And stuff. Yeah, family, so. We're there at Surrey Center. Our Jamaican brother. It's just like a city tour to make you understand and know about Nairobi. So that's how we are dealing right now. So we are going up at the food court. Now we go straight up. Yeah. Straight up at the food court. Yeah man, yeah, we can do that. Check out the place. Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is Surrey Center. Both sides. All sides. Diamond Trust Bank at the bank. It's at the bank we bank with a foreigner you want an account.
Yeah.
It's at the bank. Upstairs. What you mean, dog? No food the man want, dog?
I took my elevator upstairs all the time.
So you gonna see the place, Ricardo? No man, you want to see all about, man. Man, I want to see the place. Upstairs. Eh?
Where do you put in the account?
You carry a pin and your passport. So, yeah. There were so much things. Bags. There were. Yo, if you not work at Jamaica, you can't have a bank account. If you not work, you not get a bank account. Yeah. Job letter, all kind of thing. Yeah. If you not work at Jamaica, you cannot get a bank account. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
One WhatsApp, one serious, one police, one record.
Yeah. At first I come up as a slogan up top.
Yeah, man.
Okay. You see you never want to come?
Oh, pass the place.
Which place? The food court there, so.
No, I first move.
And the first I come at the food court. Ah, okay. Elevator. Yeah, family. So in Surrey Center, you come here want international cuisine. You can come and get it right here, so. A lot of empty man. Really? Let's go on the other side. There's the other side. Yeah, we can eat at the Java downstairs. The other one. Yeah. Bowling alley. So on the other side, but I think they know, nobody know what me yet still. We go down on the other. Yeah. Yeah, full court. Yeah. Right there, so. Yeah. AFC. I know Kentucky Fried Chicken, African Fried Chicken. So what this? So we have the cinema over there, so.
On the weekend,
cinema.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Good vibes, good music, good juice, beer people, good people, good connection, network.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. So you say you want to go down at the other spot go eat?
Yeah, I'm saying not to eat there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, family. So we're gonna go downstairs. We can maybe take the elevator and go back downstairs at the other place. Java, the escalator. Escalator there, so full Nairobi tour with our Jamaican brother. First time in Kenya. Oh, the new place running as a slogan.
Yeah.
One of them have a place running as for kids. I don't know them have a place. Oh, yes, have like the kids here, family. Games and stuff for the kids, them and thing. Yeah. Jump Extreme. So we're not saying name Jump Extreme family.
So you can jump like trampoline.
Trampoline and thing, yeah. King. Yeah, family. So Surrey Center have it all. Yeah. Yeah. We carry the one Amish come make him jump. Yeah. Jump.
There's a bus for a weekend and that week.
Tent. Escalator. Escalator. Yeah, so you like the place so far?
No, man, it's a good look.
It's a good look.
Feel warm already, you know?
Yeah, man.
Feel that belong like me.
Yeah. Connection, did it?
Yeah, man, live on my hands.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, family. So let's go down. Yeah, family. So we're at a place in Surrey Center called Barista. So it's a place where I check out some food. You know, it's more like an Italian type of style food. Not your slogan. Yeah, the chef, you know.
A la carte.
A la carte.
Yeah, fine dining.
So slogan says fine dining,
Says
a la carte.
continental.
Continental. Yeah, family. So. Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah, everything in Africa. Yeah, freestyle. Yeah, family. This is what the place look like. This is what the place look like. People come as they come have them breakfast. People who live around Westlands. That's where they come to have the breakfast. They can work on your laptop and thing while you actually have your breakfast and stuff. So people who work online. This spot is a nice spot. They live around Westlands. You come here, come have your breakfast, you sit down and you chill, you have your business meeting, you have a cup of coffee, you know what I mean? International style family. So there we I check the menu to see where I'm gonna eat. We know I'm gonna eat. I see a nice mushroom, so I might eat this mushroom.
Yeah, eat some mushroom.
Yeah, you know I might think that. The veggie man, the vegan man. Hey, mostly we don't really eat. You know, we try to eat.
Yeah, try it right.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
Yeah. Yeah, family. So I'm gonna try some of that right now. See how it tastes at the Barista.
French toast thing are the hummus and avocado. Hummus and avocado tastes good. It's like hummus is good enough. It's a nice try. You love a hummus, man.
If I the Asian person make it,
Yeah.
they make good hummus.
Welcome. Thank you. So we have a mocha first of all.
Mocha.
Yeah.
You like some cream on top?
No, let's make it cream. But make it nice. Right?
Make it nice like a pound of rice.
Yeah, make it like everything your best friend, right? On the best version. And then
Darren. Okay. Yeah, family. So this is a. Yeah, slogan of the chef. Know all foods on earth.
We know everything, but they can't trick me. Long time in the field.
They can't trick me and kill me. Yeah, family. So we're there. This is like a, let me say it's a vegetarian restaurant. So, you know what I mean? Let's see. Jump towards style.
these lovely gentlemen here can tell them what they want that means.
Alright, so
Alright, I'm still wondering. Can they pasta and small food?
let me try this mushroom stuff.
Tortellini.
Let's go try this one. This is this, right?
Yes.
Alright, let me try it.
You want this one?
Huh?
You want linguine as well?
Yeah, this is what's this one? This is olive. Oh yeah, let me have that.
Yeah, this.
Huh? What you have for drink? What you have?
Okay. We have coffee.
How long are that, bro?
Milkshakes, we have smoothies.
Huh?
Okay.
1.5.
We have iced coffee.
You have tea.
Tea?
Yeah,
We
like
have Kenyan tea, we have chai latte.
you have herbal tea.
Herbal tea, yes.
Which one?
Let me confirm what you have. Let me confirm what you have.
Yeah, confirm.
Make sure the jam tour.
Give me a big shot.
Sure.
Give me a big cut.
I will. Because it's Barista, which is going live on YouTube.
Right.
Yeah. Yes, family. So when you come,
And make sure you go for One Love Africa also. One Love Africa.
Right, yeah, don't forget this
Yes,
one.
we will.
Number 1, LOVE, Africa.
Thank you. You're most welcome to Kenya.
So what do you think if I should do one thing in Kenya?
I don't know what to eat.
Not out in
Would you feel
safari.
like having something sweet?
Yeah, I was thinking of something sweet. But
Something sweet?
I was thinking about the cake over there, but since we're going to eat
all three of us are Jamaicans.
They're all Jamaicans here. But they live here.
French toast with.
I'm
Sorry?
Muslim.
With?
So minus the safari.
No,
If you're
French
gonna
toast
come
with.
in, do one thing or just one thing. What would it be?
It's pasta. Yeah, is it tomato sauce, right?
I'm trying to eat one thing. I don't want
Where is it here?
To eat here?
no, anyway. One thing I must try.
Yeah, my choma.
What's the mushroom?
Grilled beef.
Is it meat, is it?
The whole thing is vegetarian.
Yeah?
Vegetarian pasta.
Cow meat.
I'm going to try it.
You want to red sauce, white sauce?
Jackie?
And this one, the
I'm
order
going to
is
try it.
a...
I'm going to
This
give you a
one is
review.
Or maybe you can take our number and give her the review.
Yeah.
You should try that.
Yeah?
And you should try our garlic. It goes well with kachumbari and
Yeah,
I'm thinking, let me see, there's nothing else.
Actually, mainly
No, we
for
have
vegetarian
Right.
and more of
Breakfast.
International.
You want something like breakfast?
Alright, let me have a pizza.
Right.
Pizza is
Oh, that's
good?
fine.
yeah, but you should try it. We have nice food.
Oh, vegetarian food.
Okay, well,
Let me try.
let's have hummus and avocado.
Do you like mushrooms?
Yeah?
I like mushrooms. I
They're ordering
eat a lot of mushroom, but I'll try a vegetarian pizza.
Enjoy, you give us a review.
Which one is good? Which one do you suggest?
You can have the classic margarita.
Yeah, family. So, you know what time it is. Waiting for the food to see what it's like.
Tea in Swahili chai.
Oh,
Is it chai?
yeah, we need to try, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So we're having some tea. Slogan, One Love Africa is having. They call this a tea masala. Bread have some coffee.
Mocha.
Mocha. And them say, yo, we carry back some
Mocha.
Kenya coffee or Barbados.
Tell Mocha so they can't catch me.
Over here, so me have some caramel. Mocha.
Got green tea, good for you.
Yeah, man. So some caramel or so. With some honey in it. Yeah.
Tell Mocha so them a joker. Chop down the line and money a flip like a poker.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
I approve.
I approve.
I approve.
Yeah, man. Now, what Jamaican brother approve.
Where's food from? Yes, yeah.
Here first, you know. I'm going to try something.
You start on the thing going. Actually, I think we try this try.
Yeah.
Try this one.
Yeah.
It's okay, but I had had better. No,
Slogan,
no, like.
Slogan said him had better chai.
It's okay, but I have better.
Where was that? Where had the best chai?
We got Village Market that day. We got a restaurant.
Ah.
And went two other places. But this is good.
I mean, it was the one for sweeter. Alright,
No, it's a sugar. We can't get
I
sweet.
don't like Starbucks.
Oh yeah. Those things are processed chai. You get this.
Yeah,
one.
the
Why
Starbucks
yeah.
now.
The place in
This one name.
the place in Barbados, Coffee Bean.
Coffee bean.
Yeah, man. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, coffee bean. Yeah, mug no. Yeah, what?
Mac and bean. Mac and beans. Yeah. Over here, so the longest one.
I will check for them one. This one right too. You can put more sugar in it if you want.
Yeah.
It tastes like back in the days when they used to call milk.
Chocolate.
You know Alex? Yeah, man.
Yeah, Alex.
Yeah, man. This, not this one, but normally it tastes like Alex.
Yeah, Alex.
Depends on the amount of sweetness you put to it.
Yeah.
Alex Clipping.
Who tell you? That's a nice one.
I saw sing it, man.
Hey, Alex.
The boys let it to know about it. Right, Alex, a price.
Look, Alex, man. Yeah, drinking all of That's a bit nostalgia about back like Alex.
Yeah.
Find the bathroom buzz.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Drink too much.
So it was, no, I just first drink the back of waist.
Yeah.
So I drink more. But now, nostalgia is like,
That's
no.
one
It's Alex. Yeah, man. That's
Listen,
an Ovaltine.
change it.
That's an
Listen, change it.
Ovaltine.
Yeah, something for the chef, they say, a long time I eat this, I drink this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. From your youth.
Yes,
Alex,
this vibes that appear, nostalgia is it.
Yeah. Let me try it out. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Milo. You used to mix out my Alex with Milo. You know. What? I think they were always nice. They've been nice when I drink it. See that?
Yeah, man.
Porridge.
Yeah, man. With some coconut milk in it.
What do you make some porridge on this? Am I going to check in? Come check me.
Yeah. Yeah, family. This is our Jamaican brother food. As you can see.
Presentation.
Sell off.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Presentation win.
Presentation.
Yeah.
Because if you want to take picture, must know say presentation win.
Yeah, this is a Jam Tours food coming now. Oh, the glazer, yeah, Italian style. Italian style.
Should I take something different then?
Yeah.
Should I take something
Italian
different?
style.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, family, Italian style.
Food cheap at Tanzania.
Yeah.
Cheap.
That's the benefit from this.
You vinegar, you get it?
Yeah, family. So
Quite early.
this Italian food, Italian vegetarian food. Yeah, it's nice. It's sell off. If you like them, I'll come here some more often. Want a bite.
Try something different.
You know what I mean?
Italian.
Yeah. Italian.
Italian.
I will bleep it out. Because we not cheat it out.
What about asking for?
Because I think maybe because of this school.
Card.
That's
Firmer than the firm we
It's nice.
salad.
First impression. Come on. You get rolling points. First impression.
yeah.
Nice. Place to me. I
The
think that's
first time
one.
go good.
Yeah, man, good man.
That's one
Yeah.
place out of two.
You pizza boss, man.
It's the boss.
Alright, thank you.
One love Africa.
Yes. Alright, about one little smaller.
Big.
Yeah.
I'm going to carry home some slogan. I'm going to carry
Get
home.
some cheese is already on it enough.
Yeah.
Pour more cheese. Too much cheese ain't enough.
That's what the chef said.
Too much cheese ain't enough, man. Here.
No such thing as too much cheese.
No such thing as too much cheese.
Yeah. So you say enjoy the food taste now. You say it's good.
That's what I said. We're winning right now.
Yeah. Winning.
All right, family. So you see it. So when you come to Kenya, international style, local style, Italian style, vegetarian style, all style of food is in Kenya. You know what I mean?
Even the cheese.
Even the cheese,
Vegetarian cheese.
vegetarian cheese. All right, cool. Yeah, man. Let's enjoy digging. So this is our brother first food in Kenya. First food.
Live review.
Live review. Yeah, we at the barista.
Yeah, this is Thai people.
Yeah.
This is Thai people. Yeah, man. It's good.
All right, family. Let's dig in. Our slogan of digging I'm pizza.
So we're not wasting time.
No, waste no time. Peace out with.
Yeah, one love
You know,
Africa.
so chef already, so we eat all this food.
Yeah,
So a long time I have some pizza.
yeah,
On a vegetarian pizza, so you swap it.
yeah,
I
yeah,
want to
yeah,
taste their version of vegetarian cheese.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Tastes good, you can't tell the difference.
yeah. Yeah, family. Let's go. Yeah, family. So as you know, guys, Jam Tours food done.
And clean up, bro.
Man, them say me clean up.
And clean up.
Yeah, family. So me not telling a lie. Me not telling a lie. The food was good. I mean, I come here so regular come eat. Because you know what I mean. Most time you don't really find the spot. I mean, I carry my wife come here so come eat. Just can't wait. Can't wait for the Jamish grow up, bigger. Yeah, we'll be out. We'll be out and about. Alright, family, so.
Out. Can't dumpling and butter every day.
Yeah. Dumpling and butter. Yeah. Alright, family. Let's go. Yeah, family, so we finished eat and you know we're gonna actually go downstairs and then we're gonna actually go to Jamrock. Alright, so let's go. The Jamaican brother enjoyed the food and everything was nice. So, you know what I mean? Yeah. We get a view of Surrey Center and that's good. Alright, family, so let's go.